up? What's up?
Got food for us?
Right away.
Clear, right? You're aired up all the way? Yeah. Front lip sitting. You're fine. Alright, go slow. Ready? Yeah. Okay, up there. Yeah, you're good. Hi, man.
Bags are functional, huh?
Oh, very.
Damn. Fast and Furious house all week. So Kerry, what do we got here? What are we doing to your car?
I picked up the Tomei headers, unequal length and catless. Let's figure out how to open this shit. Okay,
These gaskets included, that's good.
Alright. Might be a wrap. Yep.
Whoa, heat wrap.
The hardware.
They give you even more gaskets?
So this was an addition.
Oh, use the grin speed ones, they're
Yep,
better.
That's
They're
the
thicker. Ooh, yeah, there it is. Ooh. Damn.
There we go.
That's beautiful.
Let's do this.
Let's take a look at the welds. Wow. You can see my reflection through the header.
You're not gonna wrap it?
The quality on these headers are ridiculous. But yeah, there they are. We are currently waiting for the headers and the engine to cool down a little bit before we take the stock header off. So right now they're hot as balls. Right?
Yeah, the balls is pretty hot.
Oh yeah. Dude, I can't show that on YouTube.
One's car's on fire.
Alright, so just gotta take off these two connectors. This one I took off already. Vaping a little too hard over there. And there are tiny little clips
Dude, that's the same one I just left.
right there and all along the engine block that are holding this wire secure. And yeah. Can you guys see that? Kerry aired out in the back, and now the exhaust is hitting the floor. Okay, stock header is finally off. That was exhausting, and a lot of rust fell in my eyes. That sucked, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Now we just take off the old twos.
Yep.
Get ready to step on the new ones. Let's do this.
Just gotta take off the O2 sensors. We got this one and this one, and we're just gonna slap it on the new header.
So you want to put
How many people does it take to take off an O2 sensor?
Pretty quail that. What's up? Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Nice.
I know. She was upset?
Nah.
Huh?
Nah, not really.
She wasn't upset?
Not really. Not really.
This was recording.
Oh, who cares?
Well, so make sure you be careful what you fucking.
Yo, let me get the 7/8. Be careful of the shiny thingy.
We gotta tilt this now.
That's
Yeah.
I got it. Go. Alright, good. Good. Now this one.
This, and then everything's
Okay, good.
Sounds like someone was taking a shit.
no, not
Grocery bag. So sad. A grocery bag. What the fuck? You threw a gasket in the engine. It's in there.
What'd you do?
It made it easier for you to grab.
It's in there.
Everybody's playing for my life.
What is it? The overpipe gas? Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Can I see it?
This is just so fucking thin. Throw it back in there.
Wow, this is...
Alright, go.
Alright, good.
Alright, go.
Give it a little rev.
Oh my god, that scared me.
I jumped a little bit. I jumped. Me too. Oh my god. Yo, me too. I'm waiting for it to fucking flying.
Yo, Kerry, give it a rev real quick.
Oh my god.
Yo, that shit is so fucking loud. Let's get in real quick. Oh! Oh!
Alright, look at the side. Look at the side.
Oh shit, dude. I feel so weird. Oh, safety first. Damn, it sounds so good.
Mike could pick up the popcorns. Hell yeah, dude, it sounds so good.
How do you like the header so far?
It's fucking nice. Different. It just feels amazing.
Oh my god.
fast, so you just do a light rev. Just...
Oh my god. That sounds ridiculous. Need that sound when you're snow drifting. Sounds so good.
Woo! Rocket Irish. Hello.
This thing is so low. Oh! Oh my god.